What's going on, guys? It's Travis. Just want to see how everybody's doing. I'm going to show you how to edit this photo I brought into Lightroom. It's a old client of mine, and this is what we're gonna do. Kind of like it the way it is. Let's hit auto. My favorite thing to do. And I think there's just too much blue space up here, so let's maybe crop it in. You can't really go wrong. I just maybe do a rule of third. See how I like that? Nope, did not like that. Let's bring it up a little bit. How about this? Yeah, I like that a little bit better. And I really want to emphasize this blue. So let's go to HLS. And let's click on the saturation slider for blue and include this blue. Bring it up. I kind of want to bring up the green in his hat. Maybe do a little split toning. No, let's go to curves. I always like to bring up the shadows, the darks, just a little bit. Kind of like an S curve. No, don't like that. Bring down the shadows a little bit more. Before, after, I'm liking it. Also, let's go to the white balance. Let's make it warm. Too warm. Let's try this. Bring up the vibrance, clarity. Let's give it some edge. Yeah, I'm liking that. And I always like to bring up the sharpening, mask it out by holding Option on your keyboard and dragging the slider. I'll show you the mask. And you just want to make sure you see like the outline. That way you know you're getting what you want sharp. Lens correction. I shot this on a 70-200. Best lenses ever. Effects. I always like a little vignette. Bring in the subject. And let's see if I have any presets. Vasco. Not a big preset guy. And I kind of like that, just the way it is. Let's see if I can play with the highlights a little bit. I just don't want the whites going too white. If I do that, then yeah. And let's bring them down. Let's see if it's like this line right here is kind of the vertical line is not that great. Let's adjust it. Grab this. Assuming this white line's straight. Perfect. Just something about some symmetry. Vertical line, straight, even. Let's try this texture. Let's go all the way up. Nah, I'd like to, let's bring that down a little bit. Bring down the blacks. Make it a little bit warmer. How about we hit W for the white balance dropper tool? And yeah, pretty close. But I don't know if I like it. Let's go Z, Command Z for undo. Before, after. And there's just like this thing right here kind of bugging me. Let's hit the clone stamp tool. Let's do this. Try this. And make it big. And clone it. And let's find where it cloned it from. Nah, I did it too big. Ugly. It's too dang ugly. I don't want to take it on Photoshop. I'm just being kind of lazy. Let's go a little bit smaller on the brush. Do a little bit. Let's try that. If anything, I'd do it right here. Nope. There's comes to a point where you just have to, it's like, screw it. Let's do something different. Actually, that last thing, it didn't look too bad. How about upping the feather? Bring down my opacity. Yeah, I don't like it. Let's just get rid of it. It's the least of my problems. If I wasn't going to be so lazy today, I probably would just bring it into Photoshop. But that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. And all we have to do is hit Command-Shift-E. Change that out to YouTube episode number 2. And I always do 2 capitals. It drives me nuts. Episode number 2. And I always like to export to desktop, because that's where all the lazy people go, is the desktop. And that should be, it's exporting. And let's see how it looks. Let's look at my messy desktop. Let's find it real quick. And there it is. I like it. I would definitely say that. And there you go, guys. That is how you edit a photo from your clients. More photos to come. I am happy you're coming back, and we'll chit chat with you later. Bye.